CT5-V Blackwing shares its cabin with the standard CT5, which gives the performance sedan a reasonably spacious interior with plenty of features and niceties. We've found the regular CT5's cabin to be a mix of materials, some fine, some decidedly downmarket, but Cadillac dresses the CT5-V Blackwing to match its much higher entry price better. All models come with genuine leather upholstery with heated and ventilated front seats and 18-way power adjustments. High-performance sport seats with leather and microfiber upholstery are optional and come bundled with matching door panel inserts. The CT5-V Blackwing comes with the same 10.0-inch touchscreen display and CUE infotainment interface as the standard CT5. This system also features a secondary rotary controller on the center console for drivers who prefer not to touch the screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will be standard, as will wireless smartphone charging and a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. While the standard CT5 gets a Bose stereo system as an option, the Blackwing comes with a 15-speaker AKG system as standard. The Blackwing's trunk is the same size and shape as the regular CT5's, into which we fit 5 carry-on cases during our testing. The gauge display includes a lap timer feature, and a performance data recorder is an optional extra. The 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is a high-performance luxury sports sedan that features a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds and reach a top speed of over 200 miles per hour on the racetrack. It comes with a standard 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 10-speed automatic transmission. The CT5-V Blackwing is a sharp-handling sedan that can ride quite comfortably despite its sporting intentions. It also has a magnetic ride control system, a carbon fiber exterior package, and high-performance sport seats. The starting price for the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is $93,495.